Hello to all the craftsmen and metalworking enthusiasts out there. Today, I'm going to show you the difference between a botched job and a professional approach. Look at this weld. It looks okay on the surface, but once we chip away the slag, we see a complete lack of penetration. A joint like this won't hold anything. Just a couple of hammer blows and the piece falls apart. To avoid these mistakes, let's start over from scratch. First things first, proper marking and preparation. Grab the angle grinder and let's start prepping the edges. Without a proper bevel, you'll never achieve deep penetration. Grind the metal at an angle to create a V groove. Also, don't forget to clean the welding zone until the metal shines like a mirror. Now for a crucial step, the gap. I'm using wire as spacers to set the distance. This ensures the metal flows all the way through the joint. Make clean tack welds on the edges to secure the workpieces, then remove the spacers. Now the setup is stable and ready. We begin the first stage, the root pass. Precision is key here. Keep the electrode at a consistent angle and move slowly, allowing the weld pool to fill the gap evenly. This is the foundation of our entire joint. Once the root is done, immediately chip off the slag and go over it with a wire brush. Cleanliness is the only way to avoid porosity. Now we move on to the filler pass. I'm using a slightly thicker electrode here. Watch how the metal lays down in smooth, even ripples. Cleaning again. See how the weld is becoming one with the base metal? But we're not finished yet. For maximum aesthetics and strength, we need a cover pass, the cap. Use a weaving technique, making small side-to-side movements as you progress. At this stage, it's vital not to overheat the metal. Watch the edges of the weld carefully to avoid undercuts. Look at how smoothly the arc flows. Welding is a form of meditation. You cannot rush it. Every millimeter must be under your total control. Final touches. We've applied several layers, ensuring perfect geometry and reliability. Chip off the remaining slag one last time. Look at that result. The weld is straight, dense, and without a single flaw. Now let's test the strength. No matter how hard I hit it with the hammer, this joint is now a single monolithic piece. The metal will bend before the weld ever snaps. Job well done. Do it right and do it with pride. See you next time.